Hi, this is a tutorial for students how to log into Schoology on the iPad using their app. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to start with opening the app, okay? This is the first and most common mistake that students make. They log in through the wrong place. You can see the white window there says log in through your school, and the other one says log in through Schoology.com. Students and teachers, you need to log in through our school. So the easiest way that I found is just to put the school zip code in there, but you could type in North Tonawanda if you'd like. It doesn't matter which one you use from North Tonawanda. You just need the ones with the green dot. The district pays for something called the enterprise version. And that's what the green dot indicates. If you try to log in through something that says North Tonawanda and there is no green dot next to it, that is the free version, and this won't work. Okay, now you know you are at the right page here if you can see, right? It says North Tonawanda City School District. Right, so this is what the page should look like if you are a student or teacher trying to log in, and this is the second most common mistake people make. Your login should just be your first initial and last name. In a few instances, the login, for your login, you might have a number after it. All right. But for most of us, it's our first initial, last name. And then the password for students is your student ID. Teachers, it is whatever password you use to log into your desktop computer at school when you get there in the morning. All right, you hit login, and there we go. I can see it logging me in. I'll go through a couple of quick things here on what it should look like. I know students at the moment, many of you are starting on the courses page, which you can see is dark blue there, and it's blank. Don't worry about it. Just go over here to the updates page, and you'll be fine. Over here, just FYI, is the calendar for all of your classes and all of your assignments. You can see things that are upcoming. These are things that my students will have to be doing. So if you go back over here, this is where I post the announcements in the morning for the high school. Okay, so you can see some things down here on the left-hand side. I got to it by the pancakes, I like to call them, over there. Right, you can get to your courses, you can get to different groups you belong to, especially if that courses page doesn't work, right? You want to, let's just start out with my AP World History class. You can see that's opening up to the materials page to start with. I prefer if it opens to the updates page because you can see what I have posted for my students there. That's what I want them doing today. You can see if we go back, I post every day. I add materials to the post. You can see some links and such there. You can also see the organization of the materials. The students have access to all of this as well. And over here on the right-hand side for this course are the things in the calendar. Things that are due today, things that are due Friday, things that are due Saturday, right? And that way you can keep track of it. What else do I want to show you? You can't see the grade book on the video here because you would see kids' grades. But for students, you would see if your teachers are using this, maybe what they are grading you for. Let's go back to the calendar real quick because this is just a good little tidbit here. That's upcoming, and then here is the calendar, right? And you can go back if you are looking for assignments. One of the neat things is, right, you can see now these are my teacher assignments. Let's say kids are looking for something, I don't know what it was, right? You can see here, what was this assignment? Well, you click on it and it will take you right to that assignment. Okay, and then some things in there which I can go over a little bit later, but that's just a good general introduction to Schoology and how to log in and what it should look like when you log in.